Hello friend, myself Mohammad Shakil. In this video, we are going to study a very important topic, that is phenol. Now friend, phenol are the hydroxy derivative of benzene in which OH group is directly attached to the carbon of benzene ring. Now friend, it is also represented by C6H5OH. Always kept in mind, in case of phenol, OH is directly attached to the benzene, means aromatic ring. Now friend, let's see their classification. There are different phenol are classified into different types depending upon the number of attachment of OH group to the benzene ring. Number 1, monohydric phenol, in which OH group is only one OH group is present. This is the best example of dihydric phenol, in which two OH group is present, while friend, in case of the trihydric phenol, there are three OH group is present. Now friend, let's see nomenclature. Now friend, in case of the nomenclature, before going towards nomenclature, let's see benzene. Now friend, in case of the benzene, there are three positions, that is number 1, and 4. Number 1 and 4 is called as the para position, which is represented by P. The number 2 and 6 is called as the ortho position, while 3 and 5 is referred as the meta position. Now friend, in case of the nomenclature, common system of nomenclature, we use these, that is para, ortho or meta. Now friend, let's see very important, that is nomenclature. Thus in nomenclature, in common system, this is called as the phenol. Why friend? In case of these, as CH3 is attached at the ortho position, due to this reason it is called as the orthoceresol, while this one is called as the catechol. Now friend, in case of these, this is called as the resorcinol, while this one is called as the fluoroglucinol. Now friend, let's see, and very important, that is the IUPAC nomenclature. Now in case of the IUPAC system, as we know that the phenol, which is the common name of this compound, is also accepted by the IUPAC, hence the name of this compound in IUPAC also phenol, and it is also called as the benzenol. Now friend, in case of the IUPAC system of the orthoceresol, as OH is considered as carbon number 1 and CH3 is considered as carbon number 2, as CH3 is attached at carbon number 2, due to this reason it is called as the 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. While friend, in case of the catechol, the OH is attached at carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, due to this reason it is called as the benzene 1,2-diol. As there are two OH group, due to this reason it is called as the diol. While friend, in case of the resorcinol, OH is attached at carbon number 1, 2 and 3. As it is attached at carbon number 1 and 3, due to this reason it is called as the benzene 1,3-diol. While friend, in case of the fluoroglucinol, as OH is attached at carbon number 1, 3 and 5, due to this reason it is called as the benzene 1,3,5-triol. Thus friend, in this video we generally see the introduction and nomenclature of phenol. आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. टेक केयर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.